Hello there and welcome back. This video is going to be about the Flashtext module of Python, and this module is very interesting because according to the documentation it is a reference implementation of the so-called Flashtext algorithm, and it's let's say an algorithm for replacing and finding keywords in a given text, and this is very promising because it seems to be working much faster than regular expression based, I mean the combined regular expression based searching and replacing. And this video is going to show you how you can use this module. And for this, at first I'm going to clone the repository where I will be working in. So git clone https github.com Python, and after this is cloned it, what I'm going to do is create a Flashtext demo folder, and in this folder I'm going to copy the Romeo and Juliet text which I have downloaded from the Gutenberg.org. So this is the whole play, and this is going to be a good base for us to work with. And I have a virtual environment initialized, and in this virtual environment I'm going to install the Flashtext module. And this is a small module without any kind of dependencies. So after I install it, if I issue the pip freeze command, I can see that this is the only thing installed. Now what I would like to do is, let's say, come here in the Flashtext demo folder and create a new file. So what we would like to do at first is to import from the collections the counter class, and we would like to also import the Flashtext module. And let me show you how this Flashtext looks like. It has a kind of a decent documentation. So if you import this module and issue the help, it gives you, let's say, something. And if I issue the dir, I can see that it has a keyword processor class, and this keyword processor class takes one argument which specifies if you would like to have case sensitive or case insensitive match. And now if we go back and check, we can see that if we instantiate this class, let's say call it the processor, then we can dir this processor, and here we can see the functions that are available. What we will use to extract keywords is this function. Apart from that, we can add keywords from file, from dictionary, from list, and so on. We can also get the added keywords, and we can also remove keywords. So this is kind of what naturally feels like to do in case of this kind of class. So what I would like to do is to, let's say, with open rmj sj.txt in read option as play, I would like to read the content of the play, and let's save it. So call it flash processor.py, and I can use the following. So let's create our processor, flashtext.keyword processor without case sensitive or case insensitive matching. And what I would like to do is add a keyword, and this keyword should be like, let's call it proud, and you can add them either on the same line, with multiple definitions, or you could add, let's say, on multiple lines. It depends on how it is more fitting in your case to do it. So let's say we would like to get the hours. We would also like to get the frown. And finally, what we would like to do is print the processor, extract keywords, and we would like to extract the keywords from the content. Let's save it. And if everything goes well, and I didn't make too many typos, I should see these are the matches that happen to be in this case in the Shakespeare text. So how do I get the number of these occurrences? For this, we can use the collections module's counter class, and what we would like to do now is just simply insert this output to our counter class, and ta-da! We have 9 occurrences of frown and 7 occurrences of Shakespeare. And we do not have any hours or proud, which is interesting. The frown is from the second one. Let's move them to the same. Aha, aha. So, processor, that are keywords. It was keywords and not keyword, I think. Let's see. No attribute, so it was keyword after all, but it needs to be a Q argument. So processor of keyword, and we would like to add the proud, and we would like to add the hours, and we would add the frown. And let's run it. Cool, so it seems to be working. So what happens in this case? So there must be a difference between how these are extracted, and basically what I wanted to show you is this. So as you can see, it went through many thousands of lines in no matter of time, and it seems to be really fast. You can easily create a script that, let's say, counts the number of occurrences and other stuff like that. So basically, this is all I wanted to show you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.